Hello, this is a testimonial for Ben from Genie. I generally can't stress enough how much of a saint that man has been. Not only has he got me out of sort of several really tough predicaments with my computer not working and it impacting my business, but he's the man in the know and I trust him. And I think that trust is such a strong element when it comes to your computer, when it comes to tech. You know, usually most of our lives live within our computers. And to be able to know that you could pass something to somebody and know that they will go above and beyond to resolve whatever the issue is. Something else I also love about Ben is that he explains to you how it works. So, you know, if there is an issue that hopefully you can avoid doing again, he gives you a really good insight into what problems are and how to overcome them. So Ben from Genie is an absolute godsend when it comes to tech. He is an asset and part of my business, and I am very thankful to have him. So thank you very much, Ben, and it's a pleasure working with you.